Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this balloon clouds effect on CapCut PC. If you go to the effects section here, scroll down until you find nature. This is a pro feature, so let me just say that. I'm just going to select cloud balloon here and I'm just going to add it to the video. It's going to automatically be placed behind the object as well here. You can adjust the size here, the speed, and like the placement of the balloons as well. You can also delete the filters if you don't want it to be there. You can adjust the opacity and where it is horizontally as well here. And that is pretty much it, like what you can adjust in the effects section. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!